Dorman is excited to announce a new OE fix for engine variable timing sprockets, now available for over 5 million Ford, Lincoln, and Mercury applications from 2011 to 2005. Original timing sprockets typically require replacement due to general wear and tear, which eventually leads to poor engine performance. Dorman's OE fix addresses this common failure mode by updating the rotor design to reduce friction and provide smoother movement for a longer service life. Additionally, the new rotor design improves overall performance for engines experiencing pressure loss,